Step into the golden sands of ancient Egypt, where beauty was more than appearance. It was divinity. The Egyptian queens weren't just women, they were goddesses in human form, worshipped for their captivating presence, flawless skin, and eternal elegance. And no name shines brighter than Cleopatra, the timeless queen whose glow has echoed through centuries. Today, we're unlocking the beauty secrets buried in the sands of time, so you can glow like a goddess, naturally and powerfully, just like the Queen of the Nile. 1. Rosewater. The queen's secret skin elixir. Rosewater was sacred to the Egyptians. It wasn't just for fragrance, it was a beauty powerhouse. Cleopatra used rosewater as a toner, perfume, and mood enhancer. It tightened pores, balanced skin, and added a soft glow. Use it today. Keep rosewater in a spray bottle. Use it after cleansing to tone your skin, or throughout the day to stay refreshed and radiant. 2. Aloe vera. The desert's healing miracle. Egyptians referred to aloe vera as the plant of immortality. Cleopatra used it for its anti-aging and hydrating properties. Its gel soothed sun exposure, healed irritation, and kept her skin dewy in the harsh desert climate. Modern tip: use fresh aloe vera gel as a daily moisturizer or face mask. Mix with honey or rosewater for extra glow. 3. Kohl. The ancient Egyptian eyeliner that protected and seduced Kohl wasn't just makeup, it was mystery. Cleopatra used this deep black pigment to line her eyes, enhancing her allure. But more than that, it protected the eyes from sun glare and infections. Modern way to embrace it: use non-toxic, clean eyeliners to recreate the dramatic almond-shaped cat eye. Bold, fierce, and goddess-like. 4. Black seed oil. The oil of the pharaohs, known as the seed of blessing. Black seed oil, Nigella sativa, was used by Egyptian royals for everything: skin healing, hair growth, and immunity. Cleopatra used it for her long, thick hair and clear skin. How to use today: apply a few drops on your face at night as an anti-aging serum or massage into your scalp for lush, strong hair. 5. Exfoliation and hydration. Ancient Egyptians began their beauty routine by exfoliating with Dead Sea salts for a smooth, clean base. They hydrated their skin with milk baths and nourishing oils from almonds, castor, and flowers to boost glow, improve texture, and protect against the harsh climate. Mix 1 cup of Dead Sea salt with 1/2 cup of olive or coconut oil. Add a few drops of lavender or tea tree oil, and gently massage onto damp skin in circular motions. Focus on rough spots like elbows and heels. Rinse well and pat dry. 6. Frankincense and myrrh, sacred oils of beauty. These spiritual resins weren't just used in temples, they were skincare gold. Both have anti-inflammatory and anti-aging benefits. Cleopatra used them to calm her skin and smell divine. Modern DIY: use essential oils of frankincense and myrrh, diluted in jojoba or almond oil, to massage your face and neck before bed. 7. Sugaring, the ancient hair removal hack. Yes, Egyptians invented sugaring for hair removal. A mix of sugar, lemon, and water was boiled into a paste and applied to remove hair naturally and gently. DIY sugaring paste: 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1/4 cup water. Boil until golden, let cool slightly, and use on clean skin. It's chemical-free and ancient approved. 8. Nails and eyebrows. Ancient Egyptians used henna to dye their nails a yellow-orange shade, promoting growth and providing a cooling effect. For bold black brows, they used burned almonds as natural, vitamin E-rich eyebrow liners, an ancient trend now back in style. 9. Castor oil, for lashes and brows. Castor oil was prized for thickening lashes, eyebrows, and hair. Cleopatra used it regularly for her signature bold look. Modern hack: dip a clean mascara wand in castor oil and apply to lashes and brows every night. 10. Milk and honey baths, Cleopatra's skin ritual. Cleopatra, Egypt's most legendary queen, was renowned for her flawless, glowing skin. Her signature ritual: indulging in luxurious milk and honey baths. Milk contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that removes dull skin, while honey acts as a natural moisturizer that hydrates and soothes. How to use it today: use whole milk for richness and stir in 4 to 5 tablespoons of raw honey into warm bath water. Add rose petals or a few drops of lavender essential oil for an extra relaxing touch. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Don't forget to moisturize afterward. 11. Henna for hair. In ancient Egypt, henna was used to strengthen, tint, and protect both hair and nails. How to use: hair. Mix henna with warm water, tea, or yogurt, and add olive or coconut oil. Apply to damp hair for 2 to 3 hours. 12. Clay masks. Ancient deep cleanse clays like bentonite were used to purify and tone the skin. Clay absorbs excess oil, unclogs pores, and gives a refreshing, smooth finish. Mix 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay with water or rosewater into a smooth paste. Apply to your face, avoiding eyes and lips. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse, and follow with moisturizer. These ancient Egyptian rituals prove that the best beauty secrets come from nature and tradition. They're simple, effective, and empowering. A reminder that true beauty begins with self-care and ritual. Try any of these ancient hacks and let your natural glow shine through. If you loved this video, like, comment, and share it with someone who deserves to feel like royalty. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We've got more beauty gems from around the world coming your way. Until next time, stay radiant and remember, you were born to glow like a goddess.